Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. I'm going to be showing you how to get from these quarantine nails to these polygel nails, which is super easy and anybody can do at home just with a polygel kit. So let's get into the video. So first we're going to be clipping off your nails because I know a lot of people are going to be struggling to get their current sets off, but then yeah, you can either use scissors or whatever's easier for you. Then you're just going to file the nail polish off, but I actually had diamonds on here and I forgot I had diamonds on, so I had to remove it with this nail thingy. I don't know what these tools are called because I'm not any professional nail artist, but gets the job done.
Only the strong survive. That's life, that's right. Only the strong survive. That's why I'm still alive, but death is waiting patiently in for a rude awakening. He knows what my temptation is, cause just like him, my heart starts wandering, leaving my mind pondering, choking up my esophagus. My heart is still here, while yours is steady yonder and trying to fight the opposite. Honestly, it's so obvious, if life's so short, then how could love last forever? Life is like a movie with a dickhead director. Every chapter's getting longer, filling up this cup of water. Every sip is getting harder, all it does is get me drunk.
Once that's done, you're going to file the acrylic till it becomes quite thin so that it's going to be easier when you soak it off.
My whole life was a challenge, I had no one to help. I started out at the boss level, harder than solid metal. You know I got it handled.
The easiest way to soak it off is with the soak off method, and you're just going to get acetone, put it onto a cotton ball and put the cotton ball on your nails, and then get a piece of foil and wrap it around that nail and leave it on for around 10 minutes, and then repeat the step and scrape it off until your nails look something like this. Not all of it came out, but I had to buff it off instead. Now using this cuticle cutter, I'm just going to be removing my cuticles, and then I'm going to use a cuticle pusher to push them back. This one was really bad, but I couldn't find any other one, so this will do.
Only the strong survive, better do or die. Prepare for the storm.
I'm going to be filing my natural nails because my nails are usually really short, but I was happy it grown, so after this I was going to do a manicure. Now I have washed my hands, it's time to get into the actual polygel. So you're going to need jewel forms. These usually come with the polygel kits, and I'm using 2 boxes here because one of them doesn't have my exact nail size for my thumb, and then you're going to need actual polygel and slip solution. So first what you're going to do is you're going to take out a size and you're going to measure it against your natural nail and see if it fits. This fit perfectly the first try, which is amazing. And then I got the second one, and you're just going to line up with your hands again, with your nails, sorry, and then you're going to place it to the side, and usually I place it on top of each other so I know which nail is for which. But yeah, this part is pretty self-explanatory and easy to do. Now you're going to have to take your base coat and applying a really thin layer of this, you're going to put it onto your natural nails, and I'm using about this much because if you use too much then the polygel is most likely to come off. But yeah, I'm going to be applying a thin coat to all my nails, then I'm going to cure it in the nail lamp for around 30 seconds. Once that's done, I'm going to take nude pink. I was going to take clear, but clear came out looking this colour, and this was the look I was going for. But now what you're going to do is you're going to take the actual polygel and you're going to squeeze a tiny bit into the jewel forms. Not too much, not too little, but enough to cover the whole nail, depending on the length that you want. Then you're going to dip the brush in slip solution and you're just going to drag the gel down slowly against the bottom of the form. Once once that's spreaded evenly, I'm just gonna get my pinky finger and I am going to press the polygel. I'm gonna hold the tabs at the side and I'm gonna press the polygel form onto my nail, but not too hard but not too soft at the same time, so that it fits perfectly onto my nails, just like this. Then to clean up mistakes, I'm just going to take the slip solution and just clean around the sides so it's easier when filing down. Now I'm just going to be repeating this step for all of my nails. By the way, you'd also have to smoothen the inside of the nails. I forgot to tell you this before. Now that's done and I've cured them in the lamp for about 90 seconds, I'm just going to snap them off like this. And it's super easy to do, as you can see. But this one kind of went left, so I'm actually going to take the gel and go over it. I think that I pressed down too hard, but it's okay. So you're just going to take the side tabs and you're just going to snap them off like so. By the way, the jewel forms are actually reusable, so after I put them to the side, you can reuse it again. Now I'm going to be taking this 180 grid nail file and I'm going to be filing my nails into a square shape, like a square type of coffin, because that's my favourite shape at the moment. Built up sensation, just keep moving on, 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 moving on. As the wind blows on, blows on, blows on, and we prepare for the storm. Only the strong survive. That's life, that's right. Only the strong survive. Don't give anything for temptation. Built up sensation, just keep moving on, 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 moving on. As the wind blows on, blows on, blows on. Now I'm going to be taking a gel polish, and these have to be cured in a UV lamp. I'm also going to be taking a nail art brush, and the colour is 325. I'll link everything down below. And I'm just going to be putting the polish onto a piece of paper so it's easier for me to work with. Using my dominant hand, I'm just going to be lining my nails with the white nail polish, and I'm not exactly that great with this, as this design is my first time, but it came out looking quite good. And I'm going to be filming my other hand off camera because that is going to be a struggle for me, but yeah. Blows on, blows on, and we prepare for the storm. Only the strong survive. That's life, that's right. Only the strong survive. Give anything for temptation. Built up sensation. Don't give anything for temptation. As you can see here, I was gonna do a different type of design, but then it turned out that I didn't like it, so I took that off. Moving on, moving on, as the wind blows on. Now I have done 2 coats of that. I'm going to be taking this top coat. This is my favorite top coat, that's why it's literally nearly finished. but I'll put the links down below for this as well. And the top coat literally brings everything together and to life. And I will be cleaning up the mistakes after I finish.
Temptation, built up sensation, don't give anything for temptation. Built up sensation, just keep moving on, 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 moving on. As the wind blows on, blows on, blows on, and we prepare for the storm. Only the strong survive. That's not.
Now I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and now they look like this. And I'm going to be taking the cuticle oil. This is lemon. I don't know where this is from, so I'm not going to be linking this, but I'll link an alternative for you guys. And this just brings everything to life, and look at how nice they look, guys. I'm actually so proud of the design. This was my first time doing this design and it came out quite good. So yeah, comment down below if you guys would like to see more nail videos as well.
Blows on, blows on, blows on.
But thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for all the love that I've received on my current videos. Bye guys.
Only the strong survive.